Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to turn off your notifications on Instagram. So if you want to turn off Instagram notifications, then I'll show you a couple ways to do it. One of the ways, which is just turning off notifications on Instagram completely, and the other one is just turning off notifications for one account on Instagram. So if you have multiple accounts, you can just turn off notifications for one account. But I'll show you guys how to do both in this video today. But first things first, head over to the Instagram app, and once you're on the app, go to your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is the option that shows you how to turn off notifications for just one account. So if I want to turn off the notifications for this account right here, I'm going to click on my profile picture in the bottom right corner of my screen, and I'm going to click on the three bars in the top right corner of my screen. Once you do that, this page will show up here, and here I want to look for the settings option. Once I find the settings option, I'll click on it, and you'll be brought to this page here. On this page, you're going to want to look for the option that says notifications. Once you find that, you can just click on it. And if you just want to pause notifications for a little bit, you can just click pause all and just set a time for like 8 hours, but it only goes up to 8 hours. So if you want to turn it off completely, then what you want to do for just a single account, you want to go through all of these options right here and turn them all off. So as you can see, you turn likes to off, you turn likes and comments off, everything to off. If none of them are on, then you won't get any notifications from that account. So that is the first method to do it for just a single account. Now, this might take a little bit of time, but once you do it, you won't get any notifications on this account. So if you want to turn off notifications just completely on Instagram, then what you want to do, you're going to want to go back to your home screen. So just go back to your home screen, and once you go back to your home screen, you're going to want to look for the settings app. So just go back to your home screen and then search for the settings app, or just go to wherever it is on your iPhone. Once you find it, you're going to be on this page right here, and on this page you're going to want to look for the notifications option. Once you find notifications, if you can't find it, then you could use the search bar at the top of the screen and just search for notifications. And once you find it, click on it and it'll bring you to the notifications page here. On this page, you're going to want to scroll down until you find Instagram. So just keep on scrolling until you find Instagram, and once you find it, just turn it off. Allow notifications, just turn that off so it's gray instead of green, and if you turn it to gray, all the notifications will disappear. So that is how you turn off notifications on Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.